Petty fam, we will be in each other's lives in the future. Will we be in each other's lives in the future? I'm affirming that we will be in. Let's get deep conversation. Royal family, let's get into it.
I go to my mom for more advice with you know?
Me?
Yeah.
He go to mama.
You be on the phone.
Sandra for relationship advice.
I need that older woman advice, you know, that for you.
You ask for advice about me?
Yeah.
Trust me, I ask for it about you too. I do,
Yeah.
cause don't do that. I'm not really even that bad.
Like she said she does do it, and she got a little tight. Comment below if y'all go to y'all parents for relationship advice, or who do y'all go to? Comment below.
We gotta do this video. I've been trying to do this video forever.
You're here too. Lower it.
I mean, she up with her makeup on, Claire. She just want to cuddle.
No, but he literally came in here to lay down after he ate. So he told me to come lay down.
No.
Yes, you did. You pat the side of the bed. You said, "Come on, let's meditate." And
Not meditate and take a nap. That tryptophan. Wish I ate some turkey.
you went to sleep. No. I want to do this video.
Look at Queen. She being inspirational, trying to get us the videos. All right, Queen. We see you, girl.
No, Legend. Lead of lines.
Legend, like, everybody wake up. Y'all get up. Let the sun shine in. I see you, Legend.
Please.
Hey, y'all, kids are the ultimate alarm clock. They're not gonna let you get to sleep, stay asleep long. Aww.
Go play with your toys, Legend. Go play.
Hey, Queen, if anybody gonna get Legend up, Claire up his Legend, then climb all over his face.
What's up, Royal family?
It's your
There
girl,
y'all go.
It's your boy Clarence.
and we are back
Hey,
with another.
Oh,
Queen
yeah,
and
we about to-
Cole.
So y'all, we know that you guys have been
We about to get deep in your We
What was you about to say?
Y'all look at his face. Oh, hey, MH girl. Thank you so much for all your support, Petty fam. MH.
say?
I said we're about to get deep in your mama.
That's a little.
We're
About to get deep in your mama. We know that you guys were missing like our sit down videos. Our last video you guys really enjoyed. We didn't even mean for that to be like a sit down video or talking video, but I farted, so it turned into that. So
Why? Now you got him coughing. Child.
I couldn't laugh because I had this in my mouth, but
we're going to play a card game. I bought this from Amazon. It's called Let's Get Deep. So the object of the game is to, you good?
yeah, I'm almost done.
Which face up? You didn't even eat no corn.
But you know I gotta floss. Daily.
Okay, yeah, chicken. I just flossed too. He's not the only one that be flossing. Let's Get Deep. It's called Questions for Couples. The person that has to draw a card first is the
Oh yeah, chicken. Yeah, the only one be flossing. She's hilarious.
one who made the first move on the relationship. For each round, you pick one icebreaker question, 2 deep questions, and 2 deeper questions, and like we just go back and forth and just talk about it. Who would you say made the first move?
It depends
on
what
the
move they
relationship?
talking on. What move they talking on?
It says the person who made the first move in the relationship is the first to draw the card. So, do you think I made the first move by
wait.
DMing you?
We saw this. We are witnesses. We saw this whole thing happen. Y'all thinking hard?
That's what I think.
But I wasn't DMing you on that kind of time though. So
But you
I
made
guess
the
that
first
wouldn't
move.
count. No, the
Without
first.
you making that move, we never talked.
Well, yeah, but I'm saying in the relationship though. Like I think the relationship started when you got naked.
No, that's when we have.
You gotta get naked to get a okay.
So that could be
That's what
the
I'm
first
saying.
time. Which one?
I feel like that's the first move, you know?
Girl.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
But I'll go first if you want me to.
Okay. Well, you can go first.
Coke or Pepsi?
Ah.
Coke or Pepsi? That is the boring question. But okay, I guess it's just icebreaker.
It's an icebreaker.
Coke. I'm gonna say Coke. This is not deep. What food have you never tried but you want to? You never tried it, but you would like to try
I've
it.
had every animal.
No, you haven't. You ain't had deer.
I
How about octopus?
Oh, okay. It don't have to be an animal. It could be a plant.
I mean, he said he had every animal.
I've had every salad too. Have you ever done drugs, and which ones?
The only drug I did was weed, and
We all know how that turned out.
yeah, I done weed, and I mean I didn't do it on purpose, but you know I had to take Percocet.
Yeah.
Terrible. Never want to do it again.
I feel like drugs doesn't really mix well with you.
No, me and drugs don't, because I have like a
Go ahead.
You
drug.
high
Do
on
you
life.
prefer home cooked
I have like a drug, and then they gonna skip it.
meals or restaurant food? Like if you had to choose forever for the rest of your life, would you rather just get home cooked meals forever or
Who cooking?
restaurant food forever?
That's tough.
It is, because it's only so much I can make.
I like me some katsuya. I like, I like me my certain things, but I guess I'll take home cooked over.
You would?
Yeah. What is a moment you get nostalgic about?
Oh, we know Queen. We know what Queen get nostalgic about. The basement.
A moment I get nostalgic.
Nostalgic.
I get nostalgic when we go back
New
to New
York.
York.
Mm-hmm.
I love New York. Every time I go back, it's such like it just. And then like when I go back into the
Claire is still sleepy.
like when I walk down those wooden stairs,
It brings
The
back
base.
memories.
yeah, bring back a lot of memories.
I can feel that.
Just in our part of life. But definitely New York for some reason. Me and New York have a special connection. I love you.
He love New York too.
I think you're from New York.
I am though. I feel like I low-key am. I'm gonna ask you a deeper question. What is something you need advice on right now?
Like it has to be something about me.
It could be anything. What is something you need advice on? Like if you was in need it right now, someone tell you.
I would say maybe not being so. How to not be so. I wouldn't say perfect, but like I don't know how to explain it. Like how to be so.
How to not be, what's that called? Perfectionist?
How to not be perfect.
Always.
Overthink?
Yeah, like not like how to like.
Advice on how to not overthink.
How to like overcome overthinking.
Overcome overthinking.
Probably.
That's good. I think you need that advice too.
Deep.
Yeah.
We're only doing deep joints.
You can do whatever you want, honestly. You know,
What was your favorite meal growing up? Why and why?
my favorite
Salmon, croquet, probably.
meal growing up, I want to say salmon, salmon patties and rice,
Salmon patties.
salmon croquettes, rice, and biscuits. I don't know. I guess why? Just because it was good, and like I like the way the sweetness with the saltiness collides.
Comment below if y'all like salmon croquettes.
I'm trying to see. Cause you sure this is how it's played?
Yeah,
You
that's
just keep.
yeah.
And
We go back.
Why y'all gonna point out him overthinking?
Well, it just doesn't seem like this is.
A game?
Yeah, it's like not structured. I just needs to be some kind of structure to the game, or it's just gonna be a video. Nah, I'm not overthinking. Good videos though.
That's the part of him overthinking. I swear, he's sitting here looking at the instructions of the game. What TV channel do you watch the most?
Hulu. No. Yeah, Hulu.
Hulu TV channel. That's a channel?
I mean, it's a streaming service. I get it.
We don't have TV.
Oh yeah, you just watch movies and shows on here.
Yeah.
Okay, Hulu. Do you believe opposites attract, or do you prefer being with someone who is similar to you?
I think opposites attract.
Imagine a girl walking around just like Clarence.
Y'all be overthinking the relationship.
I mean, it could possibly work, but I feel like, I don't know.
I think that would
kind of
cause more
clash.
problems though. Yeah, I think that would clash. Those two people would clash a little bit probably. Is that the same person?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, y'all wouldn't have no balance. It'd just be like, y'all both on one side. Like, both serious, both fighting over weed. You would rather have someone
Fighting over weed. Not fighting. Oh.
opposite of you, which is me. I'm opposite, the very opposite of Clarence. Super opposite. I don't even know how we still together. Who is your go-to person for advice? Why? Who do you ask for?
Yeah, it depends. Cause I go to different people for different advice.
Really? I thought you only go to Lee.
I go to Lee and my mom.
Really?
Yeah, I go to my mom for more advice with like you. You know?
Me?
Yeah.
Like,
I need
You be
that.
me?
I need that older woman advice, you know, that for
You asked for advice about me?
Yeah.
Trust me, I asked for it about you too. I do,
Yeah.
cause
Yeah, y'all, cause yeah.
don't do that. I'm not really even that bad for real. I'm not even bad. I'm easy going. Go ahead, come on, your turn.
Nah,
I am. I'm
nah,
easy
don't
going.
do that.
Babe, to be honest, like for real, I'm easy going. Like you
Okay.
gotta admit.
What is your
She getting tight.
favorite season?
Can you just guess which one you think it is?
Winter?
Nope, it's fall.
I was gonna say fall because that's my favorite, but I thought
Fall.
you liked snow for some reason. No. Yeah.
I mean, she from Detroit though.
I mean, I like, but fall is everything. Like fall is the colors, the way you can wear sweaters and boots without the coat.
Yeah, I like fall too. If you could only eat one type of cheese for the rest of your life, what kind would it be
Cheese.
and why?
Kobe.
Him chopped
Wow.
cheese.
It's a mixture of like, it's a mixture of light and dark cheese.
What?
You ever seen Kobe cheese? It's like
Isn't it
marble.
white and yellow?
It's like white and orange. Kobe cheese. Kobe Jack. That's some good cheese.
I feel like Kobe Jack is kind of like fake cheese. Like, you know, like how do you make Kobe Jack cheese, you know?
Just how you make regular cheese. You just put them together.
So they had,
All cheese is fake.
nah.
You think about his chopped cheese, y'all.
All cheese is made out of cows.
Think about it. How would you make that? Like, that, like them two cheeses would have to have sex. Like, and it- for
No,
it
they
to be
just
Kobe.
put two different
What gotta be all that, Claire?
cheeses together.
Okay.
That's overthinking about cheese. He's like, I don't know. That's like how is
Nah,
that?
because that doesn't make sense. We're going deeper.
How deep?
How important is it that you surround yourself with people who have the same political views as you?
Political views? I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I was never really a political person. Never really been into like politicky stuff.
Is it important that the people around you have the same political views as you? Like,
Political?
if you're voting for Democrat, they're voting for Democrat.
I feel like that would draw a line between us, cause like if I wanna, I don't know, if I'm all about helping like poor people or like prison reform or something like that, but they into something else, maybe that could like cause a little clash between us.
I mean, I mean, to my experience, I don't think so, because like political views aren't really spoken about. Like, you're not really supposed
That's what I'm
to
saying. I don't speak about it.
speak
How
about your
important
political
is
views,
it?
but it's I don't
Truthfully,
know.
I don't know the answer to that question.
Yeah, I could be friends with someone that doesn't.
Y'all just agree to disagree, right?
Yeah.
It's not like super important. Like, no, are you voting for? No, if you're not,
He found something he gotta hit at.
we can't be friends. As long
We
as they
gonna
are, what's the word? Ethical, I guess. Like, have good morals. What's your lucky number?
5.
I don't believe in
5.
luck. My favorite number is 5.
I don't like how you just.
Y'all been watching them too much.
I don't believe in luck either. I just told you that. Would you rather be the most famous person on the planet or the richest person on the planet?
The
He
richest.
gonna say the richest,
Why?
yeah. Fame comes with a
what do you need
lot
fame
of
for? Like what?
fame comes with a lot of opinions, and you gotta.
Is fame like and if I'm rich as hell, I wouldn't even want everybody to know that I'm rich as hell. I'd rather just live my peaceful, rich ass life.
Yeah.
Amen. I feel that. And then that way you could help
Yeah.
a lot of
Yeah,
people.
you can help people. Yeah.
Yeah, fame can't really help people.
You can help other people get famous. That's about it.
Yeah. Maybe that could help them along. What is something that you don't think should ever be joked about?
Health.
Health?
Yeah. I don't think health should be a joke. You know,
Mm-hmm.
like if we're joking on someone's sick or something, I don't think that should be used as like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
in religion.
Yeah.
Yeah, religion and health.
Icebreaker. What is your favorite day of the week?
I low-key want to say hump day. For some reason, like Wednesday always is like,
Hump day.
okay, I made it
He mad at the bug.
through the first part of the week, and we got literally 2 more days of this week. Hump day. We possibly could hump. Just kidding.
What does your typical Sunday look like? Today's Sunday too.
Today's Sunday.
Yeah.
Well, today, you probably don't know this, but I actually went to virtual church.
No, you told me.
I did. It's the same church that my friend Ari is a part of, and it's like it's not a traditional church. It's like more so unconventional, where people understand, like they understand, where like, you know what I'm saying, that everybody, it's not so judgmental basically, and more so about love. And I really I would like to do more of that every Sunday now, so I could, you know, I feel like if I'm every day of the week looking forward to that, my connection or relationship with God could possibly get better. But before this, really, it was just, I mean, we would just wake up and kind of just stay in bed, really.
Who was the last?
Virtual church is good. I'm glad she going to RE church. Comment below if y'all been.
Person to see you try.
I think Lee, or either Lee or my therapist. No, I held tears back from my therapist, so I think it was Lee, definitely. I don't like, for some reason, crying in front of random people. I don't know.
Your turn.
Yep. What's your favorite scent? What do you like to smell? Food, cologne.
Probably either like cologne or like new cars. I love the smell of
He loves new car smell. Get him some new car smell spray.
new car.
I like to smell new shoes. Those smell good.
Not as good as new car.
New car? Yeah, new cars smell better.
Or like a new marker.
A new marker.
Yeah. Like gas smells good too.
I love the smell of gas. Would you rather be a character in an action movie or a comedy? And why?
Action or comedy? What y'all think? I think he would like action.
I'd rather be a... Wait, what? Say it again?
Would you rather be if you was an actor, would you rather be a character in an action movie or a comedy?
A comedy
I know
movie.
you like both.
Oh.
I'll be a comedy movie.
Because he loved laughing. Right?
It'll be hard for me to stay serious, but I feel like I'd be a really good, probably like comedian actor. Like semi-funny with a little bit of sarcasm. And
Yeah. I think you'll be good. In an action movie, you already look like an action figure, so.
yeah, but I
You could call him an action figure.
would laugh on myself. Like I wouldn't be able to do some of the things they tell me to do. Like,
Get a stuntman.
Yeah, like rush in here and save your grandmother. Like,
You probably would be laughing.
oh, dude, my grandma's crying.
Yeah, you gotta be in a comedy movie. What is something about you that you think is important for your partner to know? What's something about you that I need, like I have to know?
My likes and dislikes.
I guess that sums it up.
I think you should know
Yeah, that's true.
my likes and dislikes.
That's kind of like, but that's kind of okay.
Yeah, well, I mean, what's really not the answer. Icebreaker. 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 What was your
You okay?
What was your least favorite trend?
My least favorite trend?
Yeah.
Claire was about to rap. Icebreaker, icebreaker.
My least favorite trend.
Yeah, all the trends that
All
have
the
occurred.
trends that have happened.
You know, there's been
Canceling.
many different trends.
Canceling.
Canceling is not a trend.
That is a trend. Bruh, cancel culture is a trend.
It's a trend.
Everybody doing it because, like,
It's not a trend though. It's just something that exists now.
yeah, that's a
It's
trend.
gonna forever exist.
So
That's
what's
not
really...
a trend. A trend is something that goes and comes. There's trends in fashion. There's trends. There's social trends. Just like when girls used to wear skinny, colorful jeans with big earrings. That's a trend. When guys used to...
Maybe she's saying the trends is like canceling people and verbally saying they canceling when they really not or something like that.
hump the floor over and over.
I can't
That's a
really
trend.
say I can't really say I dislike any trend.
I said, what's your least favorite trend, babe? Just your least favorite. You're going deep when it's just an icebreaker.
I'm gonna say right now this crate challenge.
Okay.
People breaking their backs.
Would you want to be able to slow down or speed up time? Why?
Definitely want to slow down time.
Why?
Everything is better when you take your time. I mean, if I speed up time, that means I'm gonna die sooner. I don't want to die sooner. I want to live my life. If we slow down, we can just really savor the moment of our lives. You know, I wish I could just freeze time sometimes.
What is the most important trait in a friend?
The babies that stay little for longer.
And why?
The most important trait in a friend is loyalty. I know that's like cliche, but definitely loyalty. I feel like if we like fall out or something and I done told you some deep secrets, like those should never come out.
Yeah.
It's like, I feel like loyalty goes beyond whether y'all agree, disagree, or have like an argument. So
I think that's true too.
definitely loyalty in a friend.
Well, would that be loyalty or that like
Loyalty.
trustworthy? Like, you know what I mean? 'Cause,
No,
like,
that's
loyalty
loyalty.
is like, does that make something? Does it make someone unloyal if they tell somebody something that you told them?
Yeah. Cause you're not my friend.
I think, but don't trust and loyalty kind of go together though. Loyalty.
Not really, because loyal is you being loyal to someone no matter.
Yeah. No matter if you
what,
fall out
like,
or not.
When you're in their life, you know what I mean? Like, I don't think it would be disloyal if Maud tells me something and I tell you. I don't think that's disloyal. You know what I mean? I think that's just like...
I guess, well, I just
know.
thought they went together, but that does make sense.
I don't know. Well,
I guess, yeah, I mean, trust. What was your favorite trend?
I think my favorite trend has to be Man Crush Monday. Cause that's...
Comment if y'all participate in MCM.
like,
Man Crush
definitely...
Monday?
Yeah, it's definitely like what got me.
That's what got you lit.
Yeah, my Instagram blew up.
Would you rather be able to change the past or see into the future? And why?
That is a deep question.
That's deep.
I think I would rather, I know it's gonna sound crazy, but I think I would rather change the past.
Because if you change your past, then you don't have to see into the future.
I don't want to see into the future.
Me neither.
Like
That's
I think
scary.
that's scary. Yeah. Like why would you want to see who you're gonna become? Like and then like if you see who you're gonna become,
That can change how you act in the present.
how are you gonna work
He thinking. That's why his
And
eyes
act.
are closed.
in the time during like before you get to where you want to be? Like you know what I mean?
I
Like
would-
what if I see in the future and I'm a trillionaire? How am I gonna act now?
You probably gonna be like,
I don't gotta do. Or you're gonna.
Or you're gonna
I'm
really work hard, so that
overthink,
can- yeah.
Or I'm gonna overthink and be like, nah, I'm gonna be a trillionaire. Maybe this is where I become a trillionaire.
yeah.
Or this moment.
Like, you waiting for it to
Yeah,
happen.
I'm gonna wait for that moment, not knowing when it's gonna come. It's gonna drive you crazy.
I think I would rather change the past too. This is a lot of things. In the past, I feel like that could have, if I could have, would have made, it could have shaped me different, but I don't know because.
And just changing the past, then maybe you don't get where you are now.
Yeah.
So that's the tough part.
That is tough, but I think I don't want to see the future. I don't want to see.
I would change the past. I just wouldn't change everything about the past. There's just certain things.
Just
And,
certain things like, man, I shouldn't have.
Yeah, I should have did some illegal things back in the day.
I could have just like punched this girl in the face when she actually bit me on the bus. It's a fortune
Who bite Queen? Y'all rude.
teller. You lost me a fortune teller. Could tell you one thing about your future. What would you ask?
What?
Y'all just answered the question. Y'all don't want to know about your future?
What a fortune teller could tell you something about your future, what would you ask?
I don't believe in fortune tellers.
I would probably ask her who are still my friends when I grow up. Like who's still in my life when I grow up. Like when in the future. Who's still in my life that's in my life now. I would like to know that. What's your favorite movie genre? Romance. The camera cut off, y'all, so we back. It's romance, right?
I think I changed.
What is it?
I think it's comedy now. I like to laugh. I do like love movies, but they don't do anything for me anymore.
So you don't like The Notebook no more now?
I know I do. You know, it's just I rarely get to watch it, and then it's like kind of know it's fake.
Spend the rest of your life feeling itchy or being tickled? Why?
Oh my god, being tickled is like torture.
You read it.
But itchy. Be itchy.
Itch though? That's fake dirty.
Hey,
Dirty. Stop.
you ain't got me dirty to itch.
That's annoying. Like that's dirty. Now you're not
Well,
dirty.
itching be bite. I think
Wait.
I'd rather get
It's gonna make it look like you're dirty. You're
Like-
gonna be like this.
scratching foot.
Rather
Being
just-
tickled is
rather
torture
just-
though, babe. Imagine though, like you ain't got time to breathe.
Why you laughing like the Pillsbury Doughboy?
You ain't got time to breathe. I think I'd rather be tickled though. Like I have a lot of little ticklish spots that like it might feel good.
I know you took this one. What is the most important lesson you learned as a child?
The most important lesson:
You learned as a child.
how to pray, or like how to go to God
Yeah, that's good.
when something, how He's in control of everything, and like maybe like another one socially was to like if I heard anybody talking crap about anybody else, to not go and repeat it, because that's what get you into fights. So I never was a messy kind of girl in school. Like if this girl told me something, I go run and tell her stuff, because like I'm not a confrontational person. So I think just keeping my mouth shut, kind of not running my mouth.
Okay.
And yeah, that was pretty much. You want me to ask you one more? Can I end it with you?
Go ahead.
If you had to buy all of your clothes
Wow. No, I think it's gonna be his own brand.
from one brand for the rest of your life, which brand would you pick? That's a good question for you.
One brand? Probably Louis Vuitton.
Versace.
Really?
Yeah.
You bougie.
Probably like.
I could have swore it's gonna be essentials.
Oh, I could wear like Fear of God, like maybe like Fear of God, like something comfortable. But
Yeah,
like
but-
I'm saying for the rest of my life though,
But
like
imagine getting Louis Vuitton every single day. Come
If
on.
you could do it, you could do it. You're gonna feel like you pick essentials and it's time to go out. Now you still like go on a date. It's like
You can still
now
look
you're
good
in
in
sweatpants. But now if you choose Louis Vuitton, you could pick like either or. You could pick a sweatsuit one day, jean jacket the next day.
Louis Vuitton. I did not think you was gonna say that.
Yeah. Or Dior. I like Dior too.
Those are very bougie for the rest of your life. Between
Dior.
us, me and you, who takes longer to order at a restaurant?
I think it depends on a restaurant.
You? Every time? Because you're trying to customize the menu?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you do.
The only thing that I do, I don't even do that no more.
First of all, the first thing she's gonna say is, "What's really good here?"
No.
Like they're
I
not.
said,
I think that's every woman, because we want to customize the menu for real.
better this and
Trained to sell the shit that they're cooking. You know what I mean? Like they're gonna tell you it's good. Have you ever told someone's number? You're gonna tell you like, "Nah, that's nasty. Don't get that."
No, yes,
No, I've had somebody tell me that.
they will. It's some cool people that are like, it's not that good. No,
I
you
don't
you
get
You
that.
be trying to, you be trying to customize the menu. We'll be at a burger spot. You be like, "Yo, do you guys have like hot dogs? Like, is there any way like?"
But man, I don't do that anymore. All I do is ask which is better. Yeah. So y'all, this was a this game was not really a game to me. Like it was like I guess it was a serious game because we didn't get to laugh a lot.
Game at all.
That was that.
That was that, yeah.
What would you guys like to see from us next? Like what would y'all like to see as far as like sitting down? Like, let us know and I want to do some more of these. As y'all can see, we're in my room. Clarence wants to come in my room. He was like, I think we should do it in your room. I think.
We's already up here. It's not like on it.
I like the grass background. I like your little white sofa too. That's cute.
No, you did. We could, because we definitely could have did it downstairs in your room.
Mm-hmm. Everything's up here. The lights up here.
We could have brought it.
Cameras up here.
He wanted to be in here, and that's fine. Yeah, that's all. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications.
Yes, watch our ads.
You want to do a thumbnail? Wait, that was cute.
Why would you do
I
that?
had to go out with a bang.
Why would you do
I
that?
had to go out with a
Now you have to
bang.
clean it though. That's
It's
the
okay.
point.
It's fine. I'll just. Hi guys.
What did I say? Go ahead.
Good job.
Let's get deep. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. Watch our ads. Thank you, Petty Vam. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell. Become part of the Noto Squad. Get us 100K, please. We're trying to go up there. Thank you, Petty Fam. To like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell. Become part of the Noto Squad. Get us to 100K.